Hi all, here today to do a video information about the animal guide totem woodpecker. So this one's been coming up a lot for people lately. Info on the woodpecker: power of rhythm, drumming in particular. In lore, the woodpecker is associated with the god of thunder and also known as the heartbeat of earth. So, if you have a totem of the woodpecker, you have a very strong earth connection. So make sure you have that and you grow that connection. Strong-willed and strong-headed. Can be over-analyzing, so just be sure and balance that. In the mind is of benefit, balancing your mind. Unique musical talent, so music is very associated with the woodpecker, of course. And multi-dimensional openings, you have that connection, openings through music, sound. So connecting through this would be of benefit for you. Alright, and as a guide, woodpecker shows up to let you know changes coming or needed. Need to see things clearly. Could signify need to open the mind more, or your mind is opening more, or it needs to be opened more. Asking questions like, do you need to analyze more or less? Think about things more before you make a decision, or are you over-analyzing? Also signifies a sign for better physical health, so focusing on your physical health. And he also shows up just to remind you to follow your own rhythms, your own song of life. Alright guys, so that is it for the woodpecker, and I hope you enjoyed, and I have more animal videos. Check them out, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.